how to adjust the blade of an electric planer. This blade here. So what do we need? We need an open wrench to loosen the tightening nut, an Allen wrench to adjust the depth of the blade, and a tri-square to check our adjustment. Okay, so these are the three tools that we need. But first you have to check that the adjustment is set to 0. Okay, so this is now 0. Alright. Now, first thing to do is to loosen the nut, tighten nut, so that you can adjust the barrel nut of the blade. This is the barrel nut of the blade. Okay, turn it clockwise to bring out the blade, and counterclockwise to bring in the blade. Okay, you want, so our aim here is to align the blade almost touching the square. You can use roller instead, as long as there is a straight line. So you can adjust first the other side. Yan. Clockwise to bring it out. Then the other side. Okay, it is now touching the roller or the tri-square. Okay, so once you have adjusted it, you check again it is parallel, and try to move the blade. Okay, so little bit adjustment is needed. This time we're going to do it counterclockwise to bring in the blade a little bit. Oh, now looks good. Check again. Yes. Now it's parallel and in the correct adjustment. So once you are satisfied with the adjustment, you tighten back. Start at the middle. Tighten back the blade with this holding bolt. Holding nut. Yan. is tightened, then double check to make sure everything is good. Yes. Alright. So now that is how simple the adjustment of an electrical planer blade. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.